Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Hope you all are fine and safe and sound at your homes. This is your Geo book and I'm your Geo teacher. I hope you people understand the 3 videos of your Geo. Today we are going to do the video number 4 and the topic which we are going to do today is Africa. Africa is one of the continent of the world. We have discussed the definition of continent, that a large piece of land is called continent, and there are 7 continents in the world. So this yellow part is continent Africa, which is our today's topic. First of all, we will discuss the facts of continent Africa. Total countries in Africa are 53. 53 countries are there in continent Africa. The largest country of continent Africa is Sudan. Sudan is that country which is the largest country of Africa. The religion in north of Africa is Islam. Means the people who are living in north of Africa, they are Muslims, and those people who are living in south of Africa, they have different religions. Means maybe the people who are living in south of Africa, they are Christians or Sikhs or Buddhists, etc. The longest river of Africa is River Nile. River Nile is the longest river of Africa. The famous landmark of Africa is Pyramids of Egypt. Pyramids of Egypt is the famous landmark of Africa. You know what is landmark? Landmark is any visible symbol of a country or city. It may be any structure, natural or man-made, like a mountain, tower building, etc. So the famous landmark of Africa is Pyramids of Egypt. The major cities of Africa are Cairo, Nairobi, Cape Town, and Lagos. These 4 are the major cities of continent Africa: Cairo, Nairobi, Cape Town, and Lagos. Now the major wildlife of Africa. The major wildlife of Africa are lion, elephant, cheetah, zebra, giraffe, and rhino. These are the wildlife of Africa: lion, elephant, cheetah, zebra, giraffe, and rhino. These are the pictures of wildlife of Africa: lion, elephant, cheetah, zebra, giraffe, and rhino. Now I want to discuss some general information regarding Africa with you people. You people have read the important points, the facts of Africa which are given in your Geo book. Now some general information regarding Africa is that Africa is the second largest continent. Continent is that word which you people have learned a lot. What is continent? Continent is a large area of land, and in the world there are 7 continents. So out of those 7 continents, Africa is the second largest continent. And one more thing, Africa is a Muslim continent. Its total land area is 11,724,000 square miles. It measures about 5,000 miles. 5,000 miles means 8,000 kilometers from north to south. From north to south, continent Africa measures 8,000 kilometers and about 4,600 miles which means 7,400 km from east to west. From east to west, continent Africa measures 7,400 km. As we have discussed that there are total 53 countries in continent Africa, and the largest country of continent Africa is Sudan. But in our class 7 course, we have to go through only 2 countries. The 2 countries which are included in our course from continent Africa are: the first country which is included in our course from continent Africa is Kenya. The second country from continent Africa which is included in our course is South Africa. We have the topic Continent Africa on page number 13 of our Geo Book 7. Unit number 2, Africa. Total countries in continent Africa are 53. There are total 53 countries in continent Africa. The largest country of continent Africa is Sudan. Sudan is that country out of 53 countries of Africa which is the largest country of Africa. Religions in North of Africa means the people who are living in North of Africa, they have the religion Islam. They are the Muslims. In South of Africa, different religions means the people who are living in South of Africa, they belong from different religions. Their religion is maybe Hinduism, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Shinto, or any other. The longest river of Africa, and it is also the longest river of the world, is River Nile. River Nile, which is the longest river of Africa, is also known as the longest river of the world. The famous landmark of Africa is Pyramids of Egypt. We have discussed before that what is meant by landmark. Landmark is any visible symbol of a country or city. It may be any structure which is natural or man-made, like a mountain, tower, building, etc. So the famous landmark of Africa is Pyramids of Egypt. The major wildlife of Africa. The major wildlife of Africa are lion, elephant, cheetah, zebra, giraffe, and rhino. These are the major wild animals and they are also known as the wildlife of Africa. Then the major cities of Africa. The major cities of Africa are Cairo, Nairobi. The major cities of continent Africa are Cairo, Nairobi, Cape Town, and Lagos. Cairo, Nairobi, Cape Town, and Lagos. These are the major cities of continent Africa. Now, the major island countries of continent Africa. Now, what is island? Island means that piece of land that is surrounded by water. So, the 4 major island countries of continent Africa are Madagascar, Seychelles, Mauritius, and Comoros. Madagascar, Seychelles, Mauritius, and Comoros. These are the 4 major island countries of continent Africa. This is the world map. In this map, we have all the continents, oceans, and 194 countries of the world. Now, we have to locate continent Africa. Do you know where is continent Africa? This is the location of continent Africa. Continent Africa is that continent where there are 53 countries, and it is also known as the Muslim continent. I hope you people understand about continent Africa. This is the end of our video number 4. Inshallah, in next video, we will go through the country of continent Africa, which is Kenya. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.